Okay, this video is very easy and it will surprise you, it will amaze you, it will give you a very good easy understanding regarding the regression. So in this video we will discuss two things: regression line and mean line. Regression line and mean line, and the second thing is R square. So when you discuss regression, why you discuss regression? Because of three things. If you want to make influence of independent variable upon dependent variable, or if you want to make effect of independent variable on dependent variable, or if you want to make impact of independent variable on dependent variable. So we have three things: influence, effect and impact. Again, influence, effect, impact. If you want to make influence, effect or impact of independent variable over dependent variable, you need regression. Now, after understanding of this, we will go to the next point. In regression, you have always x and y. Remember, in regression you have always x and y. X will be counted as IV and y will be counted as dv. This is again clear, and IV will always show impact or effect or influence on the dv. It is clear? Okay. Now go to the next point. In regression, the independent variable will always be shown on x-axis, while dependent variable will always be shown on y-axis. Independent variable will always be shown on x-axis, while dependent variable will always be shown on y-axis. And this midpoint where x and y joins each other, this is called origin. And in the independent variable and dependent variable, when we put data on the graph, we have this kind of data. This is the data. So now what is a regression line and what is mean line? We will discuss this. What is a regression line and what is mean line? The mean line passes through the mid or average of the data. This is the mean line which passes through the mid or average of the data, and you see it only touches this point, these 2 points, only this point and only this point. While the regression line will raise like this. This is the regression line. The mean line will pass through the mid of the data, while the regression line will pass among the most of the data. Next thing, the mean line barely touches the data. The mean or average line barely touches the data. That's why the average line or mean line is not so much good representative of the data, while the regression line mostly touches all type of data. The regression line mostly touches all type of data, most of the data. Therefore, the researcher says that a regression line is more good than mean line. Regression line is more better than mean line. So today's lecture was that what is the difference between average line or mean line and the regression line. Thank you so much.